Today I want to talk to you about some really cool features I uncovered in Office 365 and specifically in PowerPoint. So let me show you what I did. A couple of the cool features in Office 365 PowerPoint that I think you're going to dig. So I'm going to just right click on this and say new slide. So this is what I started with and this is what I did. So let me just put something in here, cool features in PowerPoint. And I'm going to make some bullets here, and this is exactly what I did. Photos and online pictures is one thing I want to tell you about. 3D models is another. Slide reuse is another. And share and collaborate with your team. So that's another thing with, when you have your team, your company on Office 365, you can all collaborate because everything's in the cloud. And, Office 365 and the infrastructure behind it is well aware of, your permissions and groups you're in and who's allowed to look at who. So this is what I would typically have started with in this slide presentation. I'm going to right click and change the case on that because they want me to. And then I would go over here to the insert and let's talk about the first thing. So the first thing I can do is insert pictures. And that's pretty simple. I click on pictures. It sends me up to my picture directory and I can grab a picture and insert it in the slide. Not really rocket science, but there's my picture. The second thing I can do though, which is really cool, and you'll see now it has this alt text for accessibility. I can get rid of that or I can use it. I'll get rid of it in this case. But then I can also insert online pictures. And this is where some of the beauty of Office 365 starts coming in. Because it's connected to the internet, because it's able to access Microsoft's collection of pictures, I can just say something like computer. And it's going to go out and you see it has Creative Commons here. So this means that I have the license to use it. I'm allowed to use it subject to the Creative Commons license, and I can go grab a picture and stick it right in my document. So no longer do I have to buy clip art libraries or store a bunch of pictures on my desktop. I can just go get them out from the internet. So that's really cool. Let me get rid of these and show you some other things. Another thing I can do is insert a 3D design, and that's really cool because I don't know how to make 3D designs, but I can get them from an online source. So let's say, again, I was looking for a computer. I can go grab a computer 3D design, and let's see if I can find the one that I tested with, because that would make it easier, of course. I'll grab this one, and that's not the exact one, but I'll stick it in there. So now I have a 3D design in here. I'll move it to where I want it, and by clicking this thing in the center, I can rotate it. It's 3D. I can make it any way I want. Very cool. Again, I don't have anything stored on my machine here. These are all coming off the internet. So I can move it around. I can adjust the 3D-ness. I can show you the bottom, the back, whatever I need to do, however I like it. So very cool. I'm going to take that back out and show you another really neat feature that I love. Now this is the one that I actually love the best, and that's called the design idea area. So there's a button over here on the right with the lightning bolt, and when I hit that, what PowerPoint is going to do is give me all these design ideas for my slide. I didn't do any of this work, to be a graphic designer. It's doing it for me. So let me just roll through them here. So that's one. Here's another one, and you see it knows it's using AI, artificial intelligence to know that I wrote the word photos and it's putting a camera there, right? Absolutely awesome. There's that guy again. He's always there. I'll get rid of him. Anyway, Terry Rossi from Pix Tech. Give us a call at callpix.com. We'd love to work with your company.